All right, this is our next this is our second bee inspection.
And it's Father's Day.
And it's Father's Day.
21st of June.
Okay. We're bringing another box just in case. Okay, we're going to go behind the hive. Going to take the bricks off. We should diatomaceous earth around here because I see ants.
Yes, I do too. We will.
Okay. I'm going to take the lid off and we're going to turn it upside down so that we have some place to place our stuff. Can I have the smoke?
Yeah. You just do them to do them, do you? Do you?
Nope.
I mean, if they're fine, do you have to smoke them? I'm just asking questions.
You want them to move down?
Okay. And that helps them move down?
Yeah.
Tell me when to smoke them.
Okay. So if you smoke, 3 quick puffs. Okay. And now we're gonna.
Over here. I think they're just settling though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to move this board out.
Slow and steady. We got all day with them.
Okay, now we're going to look for the queen. She's got a green spot.
I don't see her
No.
on this side.
But we've got eggs. Yeah, we're looking good here. So I'm going to set this one down and then do this next one. This is the box we started with.
You see her? I do not see a little green queenie.
So we put that one back. And let's get this next one. A little smoke, 3 quick puffs. I'll have to ask her why they're doing this on top. Ooh, this is heavy.
Okay, be careful.
We've got lots of honey.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to look.
I'm looking too. Little green dot, where are you? I don't see her.
They are very busy, though.
Aren't they?
Wow.
Holy cow.
Oh, there she is.
Where is she?
Right there.
Oh, yeah, there she is.
Hi, Grace O'Malley.
Hi, Grace
Queen
O'Malley.
Pirate of Ireland.
We honor you. And your colony here. Nice to see you, Queen.
Put that one back.
Be well, Queen.
Oh, that's number. Wow.
Heavy as well. Look
Yeah.
at all of these beautiful babies. Hi, the dolls. What's going on up there in that corner? Wow, just going to town, aren't they?
Yeah.
Heavy.
Yeah. Ooh.
Don't squish them on the bottom.
I see larvae.
Do you?
Yep. Wow. See the white larvae?
I do.
And I see eggs.
I do, and I see pollen, a lot of pollen on a couple bees' legs. You guys are looking just gorgeous to me. Take your time.
Little smoke, please. Right there. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
You need me to hold your tool? I can't.
Everything's looking really good.
See all the pollen on her legs, or his legs, I mean?
Yeah.
See that?
Right there, yeah.
Really, really loaded. That's fantastic to see, right? 'Cause that's what they feed with.
Look out. Oh, geez.
Okay. Holy heck. Wow, that's just thick honey right there. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see any larvae?
Little eggs.
Yeah.
Larvae on this side.
Okay. Gentle. Do you need some smoke in this corner?
Yes, please. Can you smoke me? Thank you.
Whoa, they just came falling out easy. Now, do we need to move these more toward the center, the ones on the outside?
Nope.
Okay.
I don't believe so. I think what they told me, I put them back in the same order I took them out.
Okay.
All right.
And does this guy move or
Yeah,
anything?
I'm going to move them all back.
Okay. Easy. Don't drop a bee. They're so sweet. I love them, aren't they?
And then I'm going to put this one back that I took out right here. Alrighty. Little pollen there. Yeah. So now I'm going to take this box and I'm going to set it over here, and then we'll inspect the bottom box.
Okay, do you need my help with it?
Okay. Now we're just going to do the same thing.
There you go.
They haven't started anything on here.
No, they haven't.
That's weird.
I don't like that.
They haven't started anything here either. So this is really important that we show her these.
Right away.
Yeah. Oh, look at the pollen all over you, Guy. Oh, they've started here.
Yes, they have. That's good. Let's hope they keep it up. Let's see, guys. Do some more progress, pretty babies. Do you want me to help you?
Yeah. Oh, heavy.
Oh, yeah, a lot.
Yeah, they're busy here. This is lots of honey.
Excellent. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Good bee job, guys. If you ever need to change jobs, if you get tired or anything, you know. Nothing much there, right?
Yep.
Very little happening down here, but pollen. Want me to bee 'em? Here, hold your breath, okay?
Mhm. Right here.
Ready?
There we go.
I kind of do the air, you know, up above us, but off our faces. That seems awfully light, right?
Yeah, but they're busy. I can see.
Okay. Lots of pollen there again. They're finding their pollen. Get bit?
No.
Here. Got it? Safely?
Last one. You want to try?
No, I'm okay. I just wanted to press that one down. Now, is that one okay that it's not attached on?
Yeah.
Okay. Just a framework? Before we put the other box on, let's get this just a little straight.
Hold on.
okay?
Okay.
Can I smoke them?
Uh-huh.
You ready?
Yep. Right here, where I'm going to put the other box back on. Right, get them off the edge here. There you go.
Okay, remember, we want to straighten this out. Okay? Can you scoot the whole thing a little bit, or you don't want to? I guess it doesn't matter.
I think it's on there good enough.
Okay, it's not going to fall toward the back or anything?
No.
Will I feed them?
Yeah.
Here, you hold the smoke. And this please.
Thank you guys. Sorry to bother you. We just want to make sure you're healthy and good to go.
Let you know that we appreciate all you're doing for the planet, for us, for the Queen, Grace O'Malley. Long live she. Plus, we'd like to give you a little snacky poo here. I think there's dead bees in here.
Yeah.
Are you sure that that's
Yeah.
okay?
Uh-huh. He says some of them drowned.
Do we get them out, though?
We're only going to be feeding them like this for a while.
See them all?
Yep.
I feel badly that they have to live with corpses.
Well, if she says we need to get them out, we'll get them out.
You ask her.
Okay, you're at the top.
Oh,
Oh, you're overflowing.
yeah, I'm overflowing. Okay, I didn't know.
Okay, here's the smoke back.
And the lid, please. The lid to the... Never mind.
The lid to the...
In your hand, yeah. Hi, guys. We're so proud of you. Good damn job, guys. It's good, babe. Don't kill me. Stop them, then, Mom.
That's what he told me to do.
Yeah, don't stop the bees that you've just stomped off with the box. Hit it once.
Okay, we don't need this one yet, I don't think.